Remember that childhood rule, step on a crack, break your mother's back? Yeah, that wasn't just playground drama. Long ago, people believed cracks were doorways for evil spirits. Step on one and boom, bad luck for your whole family. So kids started skipping sidewalks like they were in a horror movie. Turns out it's not magic, it's just concrete. Funny how fear turns into folklore. If you've ever dodged a crack just in case, subscribe because here on Thinking Wrong, we love the myths that shaped our steps.